Here's my 2006 Acura TSX. Here's what I have done to it.
She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little cat will make it work. Make it work.
I'm missing a side skirt. Why?
Make it work. Make it work.
Wheels, check. Steering wheel, not on, but check. Hey, what's up everyone? Long time no see. Haven't uploaded in a few months and I just thought about making a new video to share with you guys. So here is the update on my TSX. Everything is on. Finally got the wheels, tire letters.
Quick release there.
Finally put the energy seat. Got a new steering wheel. Unfortunately, being low has its downsides. I am missing my side skirt on this side right here, as you guys can see. Hopefully soon I can just send my car into the body shop and get that fixed, so to be able to take this car out and finally track it. Also, I did wrap it myself in my backyard, so it's not the best job, but it's still, it's alright. Definitely want to rewrap it since I know a little bit more about it now. Yeah, but here's my 2006 Acura TSX 6-speed. Was rebuilt. You can see it. There it is. I know I haven't uploaded in a few months, but hopefully soon I can take this car out and go do like a cinematic video and better walk around. There's still a lot of issues with the car that I need to fix, like vinyl lifting, and I do need to send in the car to the body shop so they can fix my tabs on my bumper and my side skirts and my exhaust. There's like a little rattle with my exhaust, but I'm sure a couple stops and it should be fixed. There's Alvin. He's also a photographer. Yeah, so here it is. Better look at it. We're just out here taking some photos. But yeah, I'll play some cinematics and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys for watching.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sun and it's all because of you.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe for future content. Thanks, guys.